Do you want to know the best watering tips for your garden? Well, you're in the right place. Today we're diving into the art of garden hydration, sharing practical tips on how to keep your green spaces thriving. Stay tuned to become a master at watering your garden. Every garden has its unique water requirements. What your roses crave might be different from what your tomatoes need. The thirst of your garden is influenced by a variety of factors, like plant type, soil quality, local climate, and even the time of year. You may not control the weather, but you can certainly understand your plants and their needs. Because when you understand these factors, you can cater to your garden's specific watering needs. So, knowing your garden well is the first step to effective watering. Timing is crucial when it comes to watering your garden. The early morning is ideal as it minimizes evaporation and prevents fungal growth. Watering later in the day can lead to water loss and increased disease susceptibility. So, set your alarm early and give your plants the morning drink they need. Now, let's dive into how to water your plants properly. Start by watering deeply rather than frequently. This encourages roots to grow deeper, resulting in stronger, healthier plants. Focus on watering the roots, not the leaves. The roots are where the magic happens, absorbing the water and nutrients essential for growth. Overhead watering can lead to the spread of diseases and water wastage through evaporation. So, be smart, be efficient. Remember, it's not just about keeping your plants hydrated, but doing it in the right way. With these tips, you're now ready to give your garden the best care. Remember, understanding your garden's water needs, choosing the right time to water, and mastering the art of watering can make an enormous difference in your garden's health and growth. These practical insights can turn your green space into a thriving, vibrant paradise. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips.